Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore the exciting advancements and future possibilities of 3D printing and robotics in the automotive industry. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that involves creating objects by depositing materials layer by layer based on digital designs. While 3D printing has been around for decades, recent developments in technology and materials have made it more viable for mass production, especially in the automotive industry. One of the benefits of 3D printing is its ability to produce complex shapes and structures that are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. This can lead to improved performance and efficiency, as well as reduced weight and material waste. Additionally, 3D printing can allow for more customization and flexibility in the manufacturing process, such as producing parts on demand or creating unique designs for specific customers. In the automotive industry, 3D printing has already been used for prototyping and low-volume production of parts, but its potential goes beyond that. For instance, BMW has used 3D printing to produce customized parts for its Rolls-Royce cars, while Bugatti has used it to make brake calipers that are lighter and stronger than traditional ones. 3D printing is also being combined with robotics to create more efficient and autonomous manufacturing processes. Robotic arms equipped with 3D printers can move around the factory floor and produce parts on demand, without the need for human intervention. This can lead to faster and more flexible production lines, as well as reduce the risk of injuries or errors. Moreover, robotics can assist in other aspects of car manufacturing, such as assembly, welding, and painting. Collaborative robots, cobots, can work alongside human workers to perform repetitive or hazardous tasks, while larger robots can handle heavier and more complex ones. For example, Ford has implemented a system that uses robots to assemble the chassis of its F-150 trucks, reducing the time and labor required for the task. As technology continues to advance, the integration of 3D printing and robotics in car manufacturing is expected to grow even more. The use of advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and metal alloys, can enhance the performance and durability of printed parts, while new methods, such as multi-material printing and continuous 3D printing, can enable even more complex designs. However, there are also challenges to overcome. One is the cost and scalability of 3D printing, which is still higher than traditional manufacturing methods for high-volume production. Another is the need for skilled workers who can design, program, and maintain the machines and processes. Additionally, there are concerns about the environmental impact of 3D printing, especially if it leads to increased waste or energy consumption. Overall, the future of 3D printing and robotics in car manufacturing is promising, with potential benefits in performance, customization, efficiency, and safety. It will require continued innovation and investment, as well as collaboration between industry, academia, and government, to fully realize its potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest advancements in technology and industry.